Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter first, the rise of nationalism in Europe history. This is module 9th. In 8th we discuss about the efforts done by liberals regarding the freedom. Now here we will discuss about most important concept, the unification of Germany. The unification of Germany, most important part we may say. We had seen that from 1830s to 1848 the liberals, the revolutionaries and the type of the people who were agitated from the policies of the government tried hard to secure, to get the freedom or to unify the states. And we had discussed about the Greek, Poland. Now here we will discuss about Germany. Germany in 1848. In 1848, the German states, that is 39 parts, tried to form a nation state. But they were repressed by monarchy, army and Junkers of Prussia. These type of the people or these formation of the empire, they repress the revolt, and the revolt was not a success. Here the word comes Junkers. Junkers mean big landowners. Here Junkers are called as big landowners in Prussia. These were the persons. So they were united. And in 1848, when the German states, that 39 parts, tried to form a nation state, and the monarchy and the army and the Junkers, they did not like, so they repressed this revolt. And now what happened? The chief minister of Prussia, Ottoman Bismarck played an important role in the unification of Germany. He formed army and reunited the German people along with Prussians and ended with a victory. What was that? It means the joint efforts of Bismarck, the army of Prussia got the good results. What happened? The war was fought for 7 years. With joint army of Austria, Denmark, and it means Austria, Denmark and Hungary. These were the states, and this war was fought for 7 years, and it ended with the victory of Ottoman Bismarck. And what happened on 18 January 1871, the king of Prussia, Kaiser William I was the king of Germany. It means he was also the king of Persia, but he also became the king of Germany. Okay, that happened. Now, what happened? That the joint effort of Prussian and the German people that brought good results, and in the 18 January 1871, Germany became a nation state. Germany became a nation state. Became a nation state. And what happened? And the currency, weights and measures, uniform civil code were formed. It means what happened in Versailles? The king of Prussia, Kaiser William I, also became the king of Germany. Okay, here. And what happened after this battle? Germany became a nation state, and they included common currency, uniform weight and measures, and uniform civil code. Means and even some of the rights that were also given to the common people. These were very important points related to unification of Germany.